struggling to get her chairs fixed. All right. Yeah, you might need to take this one since you have a bun in the oven.
Maybe.
This one, I'll sit in this one. Whew, it's definitely a fall day. Look at this.
It was pouring rain earlier, so it's so nice that it's like dry. It probably stopped raining maybe like 30 minutes ago, and I don't think it's gonna rain anymore.
Yeah, we're over here at the Vancouver Veterans Parade. We're going to be checking out the floats and the sights. It's going to be pretty cool. Kind of excited. It's going to be kind of awesome. AMPM tip, be sure to have a snack bag when you go to parades. What we have in here is some fruit pack, cheese, crackers, and fruits. You gotta get that Diet Coke. DC, baby. We also got Harvest Blend, Homestyle Ranch Pringles, and Liquid Death. Liquid Death, please sponsor us. And then there's another DC in there. So that's what we have for the AMPM snap bag. Be sure to always get one when you come to a parade. Comes in clutch. Yep, it's a very typical Pacific Northwest weather. Rainy, kind of cold, very gray.
Careful with that. Don't use that to
Leaves. All right, we got a flag. Brought to you by Quantum Fiber. Thank you for giving me the flag. Wind is really blowing. Snack pack.
And it's the approved cheese, grapes, crackers, apples.
All your favorites.
Mm-hmm.
You ready for the parade?
I am super ready. And let me sit in his big boy chair. I went potty. Got water. We got our flag. We are set. I'm feeling very patriotic. And yeah.
Cool.
For the parade.
Let's go. All right, we're coming to the end. We're coming to the end. This is the last of it.
Yeah.
The parade has finished.
Yeah.
Time to pack up. Look at you. You got like a water bottle right there.
Water bottle. I got some freaking pens.
Scored.
Ah.
We finished up here at the Vancouver Veterans Day Parade, and it was a lot of fun to check out all the cool floats and supporting the veterans. And other than that, we give you a big fat cheese.